it's all over, a jolly sea rover drops in on his friend Davy Jones. Oh,
my good friend Davy Jones. Good morning, shipmate.
And what's good about it, Mr. Smee? Here we are collecting barnacles in this miserable island.
While his nibs plays Ring Around the Rosie with Peter Pan. Might go off.
We ought to be tending to the business of looting ships.
Well, I've almost forgotten how to slit a throat. Better off it. Und tell the captain we want to good to thee. Thee? What? Peter Pan. If I could only find his hideout, I'd trap him in his lair. But where is it? Mermaid Lagoon? No, we've searched that. We've combed Cannibal Cove. Here! No, that's Indian territory. But wait. Those redskins know this island better than I do my own ship. I won.
Good morning, Captain.
I've got it! Tiger Lily Smee.
Tiger Lily, Captain?
The chief's daughter. She'll know where Pan is hiding.
But will she talk, Captain?
Oh, a little persuasion might be in order. Now let me see. The boiling in oil. Keel haul. Barooning.
You'll find an adventure and a sport, but live every minute for art and
What is wrong
the
with
life
you?
of a pirate is short.
Now let me see. Where was I?
Oh, dear, Captain. Look, shooting a man in the middle of his cadenza? That's good form, you know.
Good form, Mr. Smee. Good form. Did Pan show good form when he did this to me?
I Captain. Cutting your hand off was only a childish prank, you might say.
Aye, but throwing it to that crocodile, that cursed beast liked the taste of me so well, he's followed me ever since, licking his chops for the rest of me.
He'd have heard you by now, Captain, if he hadn't swallowed that alarm clock. But now when he's about, he warns you, as you might say, with his tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Here now, shame on you, upsetting the poor captain. There'll be no handouts today. She now, she. Go on, off it. Off with you, Acer. Go away, out of it.